Are you struggling to finish NEET Physics in 45 minutes? And you always feel time was not sufficient for physics? What if I say I can help you with the right strategies to complete physics in just 40 minutes? Let me show you with an example. Here is a scary looking question from NEET 2016. This will take at least 3 minutes to solve, including reading the question, drawing the diagram, writing the equations and solving the equations. But NEET gives you just 1 minute to get your answer. How do you do that? Can you believe this question can be solved in less than 25 seconds? So let me prove my point by solving this question right now, and this is the way I would want you to solve it in the NEET exam too. So this question talks about friction and banking, and it's all in variables. So they are asking us to find the velocity. So let's quickly look at the options. This is common across all the four and dimensionless. So let's look at the remaining part dimensions. This is 1 by second. This is 1 by root meter into second. Root meter cube by second, meters per second. This is the answer. Option D is the answer. Just a quick dimension analysis could give us the answer. No need to write the equations, no need to draw the diagrams, no need to go through the whole process of solving the question. Book a free demo session with me to learn more about such strategies. Thank you.